the all-new 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63, the legend that refuses to age but only gets meaner, faster, and more luxurious with every evolution. Welcome back to USA Car Review, where today we're diving into one of the most iconic beasts ever built, the G-Wagon that defines power, prestige, and pure performance. The 2025 AMG G63 is not just a luxury SUV, it's a status symbol that roars with heritage and innovation combined. From the first glance, you know it's unmistakably a G-Class, boxy, bold, and beautifully intimidating. But Mercedes has refined the formula. The new AMG G63 carries sharper LED digital light technology, a stronger front grille with vertical slats, and redesigned bumpers that give it a muscular yet modern stance. The aerodynamic tweaks are subtle but effective, improving stability and reducing drag, especially at high speeds. The 22-inch forged AMG wheels and aggressive exhaust outlets add to its road-dominating presence. This isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling statement of dominance. Step inside, and the story continues. Luxury meets raw power. The 2025 AMG G63 interior has been completely reimagined with cutting-edge technology and premium craftsmanship. You're greeted by the latest MBUX hyperscreen, stretching across the dashboard with brilliant clarity and instant response. Every touchpoint screams quality. Nappa leather, carbon fiber trims, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The AMG Performance steering wheel, flat-bottomed and loaded with controls, makes you feel like you're in a fighter jet cockpit. Rear passengers aren't left behind either. Extra legroom, heated and ventilated seats, and a Burmester 3D sound system turn every ride into a luxury lounge on wheels. Under the hood, Mercedes keeps the heart of a beast, a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine. But this time, the 2025 G63 embraces electrified power with mild hybrid technology. It now delivers up to 577 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque, with an additional 20 horsepower boost from the integrated starter generator for those instant takeoffs. The AMG's PFT TCT9G transmission sends all that power through the legendary 4Ms and AT6 all-wheel drive system, ensuring nothing stands in your way, whether it's city streets, desert dunes, or icy mountain passes. The G63 rockets from 0 to 60 miles in just about 4.2 seconds. Impressive for a vehicle that weighs over 2.5 tons. But it's not just about speed. The 2025 AMG G63 is engineered for versatility. Thanks to its adaptive suspension, 3 locking differentials, and off-road driving modes, it conquers any terrain with ease. AMG Ride Control ensures that every bump is absorbed while keeping the handling precise and responsive. And yes, even with all that performance, the mild hybrid setup helps improve fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. A small nod to a greener future without sacrificing the signature AMG growl. Mercedes has also focused on technology and safety like never before. The G63 now includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control lane, keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and 360-degree cameras for ultimate visibility. You even get an augmented reality navigation display that overlays directions right on your windshield. Perfect for both adventure and luxury drives. From the outside, it's rugged. Inside, it's a sanctuary. On the road, it's untouchable. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 is proof that tradition and innovation can live together. A machine built not just for drivers, but for dreamers who refuse to compromise. It's loud, it's proud, and it's built for those who demand the absolute best from performance SUVs. So whether you're cruising through Beverly Hills, tackling off-road trails, or just turning heads downtown, the G63 commands attention wherever it goes. It's more than a car. It's a lifestyle, an experience, and a declaration of success. This is the new era of the AMG legend, more intelligent, more powerful, and more refined than ever. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 continues to carry its heritage of excellence into the future, setting the benchmark for luxury performance SUVs worldwide. If you love this look at the all-new G63, don't forget to hit that like button Subscribe to USA Car Review and stay tuned for more reviews of the most exciting new vehicles on the road. Thanks for watching, and remember, legends never die, they just get faster.